Hi guys, Jasmine from Corkscrew Curiosities. I'm packing up an eBay order and I wanted to take the opportunity to talk about packing fragile items, especially large fragile items. I'm packing up this Bartlett Collins vintage cookie jar. I decided to do this video after I had already got the bubble wrap on, but the first step that we do is pack the inside with paper. You don't want any empty spots on the inside, and then bubble wrap for the first layer. Tape it up real good, and I'll show you the second layer. For the second layer, we have a box. I'm going to show you how to tape this around. We double box just about anything that is fragile, small to large, and we are sending this priority mail, so we are using priority mail boxes, but we only use these when we ship priority mail. I've done it on this side, but I score the little flaps so that I can fold it over, so I'm going to do it to the other side real quick. So we then fold over these scored flaps so that we can secure the item double boxed. I did tape up this box really well. I just didn't want you to have to sit through it. You want to make sure that the box is as close as possible. Everything is tight in there. Nothing's moving around. This inner box needs to be as tight to the item as possible with plenty of bubble wrap in between. Next, we're wrapping up the lid. I use recycled priority mail boxes for all my inner boxes. These are just boxes that we've received or ones that other people gave us that they haven't used. So you can use used boxes for the inner boxes. That's perfectly fine. The outer box is a little more important for it to be structurally sound, so you're going to want to use new boxes for fragile items. I've taken a couple of priority boxes and created a box big enough for these items, and I'm going to make sure that there's no space for these items to shake around, so I'm going to use plenty of filler. If you can, it doesn't hurt to wrap your box a second time in some good bubble wrap. This is really thick quality bubble. I'm going to wrap this up. It'll also provide some extra cushion. For expensive items, we always document the packing process from start to finish so that we can prove that it was packed properly in case we have to do an insurance claim. Some may call it overkill, but I would rather a package to get there safely. No shaking, everything is totally secure. Happy hunting!